A Russian fighter jet flew dangerously close to a U.S. RC-135U reconnaissance aircraft on Thursday in the latest military provocation by Moscow over the Baltic Sea, the U.S. European Command said Saturday. On April 14th, a U.S. Air Force RC-135U aircraft flying a routine route in international airspace over the Baltic Sea was intercepted by a Russian SU-27 in an unsafe and unprofessional manner, said Captain Danny Hernandez. This intercept comes shortly after the unsafe Russian encounters with the USS Donald Cook, he added. There have been repeated incidences over the last year where Russian military aircraft have come dangerously close enough to other air and sea traffic to raise serious safety concerns, and we are very concerned with any such behavior. Hernandez said that the U.S. aircraft, a militarized Boeing 707 jet, was operating in international airspace and at no time crossed into Russian territory. The unsafe and unprofessional air intercept has the potential to cause serious harm and injury to all crews involved, he said. More importantly, the unsafe and unprofessional actions of a single pilot have the potential to unnecessarily escalate tensions between countries. According to Hernandez, the SU-27 carried out erratic and aggressive maneuvers by approaching the RC-135U at a high rate of speed from the side. The Russian then proceeded to perform an aggressive maneuver that posed a threat to the safety of the U.S. aircrew in the RC-135U, the spokesman said. More specifically, the SU-27 closed within 50 feet of the wing tip of the RC-135 and conducted a barrel roll starting from the left side of the aircraft, going over the top of the aircraft, and ended up to the right of the aircraft, he said. The U.S. government is protesting all the incidences this week with the Russian government through diplomatic channels, he said. The RC-135U is an electronic intelligence gathering aircraft, or a spy plane. It's normally operated by 5 aircrew and up to 16 electronic warfare officers and 6 more regional specialists. So what do you think? Are the Russians just simply tired of the United States Air Force and the United States Navy in their part of the world? Or are the Russians simply trying to provoke the United States? Let me know what you think below this video. Thanks for watching.